Etong mga ingredients ko, I've arranged it in such a way, yung simplicity. So I've cut the pork into cubes, yung chicken, yung mga pieces, and then I've arranged it in sequence of use. So meron akong vinegar, meron akong toyo, may bawang, meron tayong Maggi oyster sauce.